Little Johnny woke up to some loud noises coming from his parents' bedroom. He got out of bed and walked down the hall towards his parents' room. Before he made it to the end of the hall, the noises had ceased and the bathroom light had gone on. Little Johnny walked into the bathroom and saw his father removing a used condom. "Daddy, what are you doing?" asked little Johnny. His father looked around nervously, wondering what he could tell his son. I'm just checking out the bathroom for mice," replied his father. Johnny looked at his father with a gaze of confusion and said, "Well, what are you doing? Fucking them?"